Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Today I am going to show you how can you create this realistic 3D effect in Adobe Illustrator. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new updates. So let's start the tutorial. Firstly open Adobe Illustrator, then create a document, then type a letter, it will be L, and the font is Great Vibes. Now increase the letter size. Okay, click on ellipse tool, then create a circle and change the color to gradient color. I have already created the gradient first, so just applying it. Then duplicate this ellipse. Now we will create a path using pen tool. So select the pen tool, then create a path using this letter direction. And change the outline color or to color to black. Now we will delete the letter. So just move the path and select the letter and press delete from the keyboard. Now increase the stroke size. Okay. Now we'll smooth the path. So select which point you want to smooth. Okay, perfect. Now we will blend this to eclipse. So just select the eclipse, then object, then click on blend, then click on make. Again select the object menu, then click on blend, then click on blend options and change the spacing to specify steps, and the steps will be 500. Then click on OK. Now we will select this path also, then click on object, then click on blend, then click on replace spine. Okay, perfect. Now we'll apply effect. So just select this, then click on effect, then click on distort and transform, then click on roughen. Now change the size to 35% and the detail will be 65 and the points will be smooth. Okay, then select the OK. Now click again the effect menu, then click on distort and transport, then click on poker and blow it. Now we will change the footer to blow it 35 and click on OK. So we have just created our 3D effect in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.